Hey guys, this is beautiful thank you monogram. This you can give to your teachers or gurus. You can see this is an order from my customer. It says thank you to his or her teacher and from Prerak, the name of the customer. You can customize, you can write any name, and you can see this is made up of quality aluminum composite material, and this looks very great. It is very easy to stick. You can simply peel it, the quality tape, and paste it. Alternatively, you can also screw it, and you can drill it and screw it. It comes with two different color. This is the golden mirror color. It is shiny and reflective, and it also comes with silver. This is different design, but you will have an idea. It also comes with the silver brush color, and silver brush color is our top selling color, but you can have silver or golden of your choice. This looks very beautiful. So yes, if you want to gift this to your teacher and show some respect, love and gratitude for the contributions they made to your life, you can order and gift to your teacher. To order this kind of beautiful monograms, just visit www.jadhavmonogram.com. See you on the other side.